So let's add a Google Tag Manager to our instance. In this instance, which I called Acme Stellar, I already have my Google Analytics set up, and you can tell because my dashboard is displaying data from Google Analytics, although there's not a whole lot of data because this is a demo instance, so I don't get any traffic. But if I didn't have my Google Analytics set up, then my content section would look more like this, asking me if I want to authenticate. And then once I do that, then we get this view. But we've got some questions about how to incorporate Google Tag Manager. So Google Tag Manager is not the same as Google Analytics. And when a client wants to add Google Tag Manager, normally they will send a script tag that looks something like this. And this is the process that Google suggests for installing the Google Tag Manager. So you would add this script into your head tag and then add this script into your body tag, which you can do in the code section and then editing the head tags and then adding the body script into the loader file. But you don't have to do that if you don't want to. We can do that automatically by going into the settings of your instance, and then down here in the sidebar under other settings, there is a tag manager section. And then it's asking you for a Google Tag Manager ID. It's not so easy to find that in this kind of script that Google gives you, but it is pretty easy to find it in your Google Tag Manager dashboard. So when I go to my Google Tag Manager dashboard, I can see my accounts. I'm managing the Acme Stellar account. I added my domain and all of that, so it's already ready to go. And you can toggle through. I've got my Google Analytics and some of the other services that they provide, but in this case, for Google Tag Manager, I'll click into that, and then I can see my domain that's set up, and then this kind of code or ID called GTM, and then some numbers and letters. This is the Google Tag Manager ID that we want to add to Zesty. So if I go back into my Google Tag Manager dashboard, I just want to highlight that GTM ID, kind of hard to highlight. Okay, and then back to Zesty, I just paste that and hit save. And that is it. Zesty will do the rest of this part for you. So in the head tags and in the body tags, you will see those scripts, but it's automatically generated through Zesty. So no need to go digging through the code and add that if you don't want to. And that is how you authenticate a Google Tag Manager account in Zesty.